Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm whether you use a work, school, or personal Microsoft account, and make sure you have your email and password ready. Once done, open Office. Com in a modern browser or launch the Microsoft 365 app on your device. This ensures you land on the official sign-in flow. If you're on a shared or public device, make sure to use a private window and avoid saving passwords. Now click Sign In so we can move to entering credentials. You'll enter your full email address first. Check for typos because autocomplete can introduce errors. Next, type your password and use the Show option briefly to confirm characters if you suspect mistakes. Once credentials are accepted, make sure to complete multi-factor authentication when prompted. Use the Microsoft Authenticator app, a one-time SMS code, or a phone call depending on your setup. After MFA, choose whether to stay signed in on this device. Bearing in mind, it affects security versus convenience. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Microsoft 365 home, where you can open Outlook, Word, OneDrive, and Teams from the app launcher. Use the waffle icon to switch apps quickly. If sign-in fails, reset your password via the Forgot My Password link or clear browser cache and retry, because stale sessions often cause errors. If MFA fails or your account is locked, contact your IT admin or Microsoft support for account recovery. That's the key troubleshooting step that resolves most persistent access issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.